This is the new and improved knife and tool sharpener Mark II by WorkSharp. The Mark II uses the same flexible belt technology to shape, sharpen, and hone any blade shape. The redesigned leather-lined sharpening guides produce repeatable results for 20-degree kitchen and 25-degree outdoor knives. The Mark II makes sharpening fast, easy, and repeatable with sharp as new results.
All links to the products in the description below the video.
These are the tough-built left-cut aviation snips. These ultra-durable snips are ideal for left cuts. Its forged blades allow up to 10 times more cuts than cast blades. Experience the new benchmark in handle ergonomics, comfort, and functionality. Its patent-pending grip design, the integrated arrows clearly show the cutting direction from any angle. The flush pivot bolt will not hang up on material for easy use, and the metal lock secures the tool for storage and is easily operated with one hand. It's not just a snip, it's tough built.
Subscribe on my channel and click on the bell.
It is an extra sticky reusable lint roller ball. It can easily clean pet hair from clothes spotlessly and effectively. Hair on the bed is also easily removed. It is no longer disposable and can be used repeatedly compared to traditional lint rollers. Spend money once, uses it for a lifetime. Simply rinse it under water and dry it. The lint rollers will be restored clear and extra sticky. Get it now.
Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have not seen these videos, be sure to look, and of course do not forget to subscribe to my channel, because in the future there'll be a lot of cool products. Bye bye!